My name is Vishnu Nechur, and I am 15 years old. I am from Bangalore, India.
My name is Alejandro Lopez and I'm from Peru.
Hello everyone, I'm Crystal, a secondary school student from Hong Kong.
My name is Chuck Bull and I live in Charleston, South Carolina.
Hi, my name is Chris Sanyang.
My name is Dhananjay. I am originally from Mumbai, India.
Hi, my name is Paula Cavalcanti.
My name is Qasim Khan and I'm a high school senior in Pakistan.
Hi, my name is Jose Francisco and I'm from Lima, Peru.
I am Saurabh from India.
My name is Anastasia and I am from Moscow, Russia.
I took 600.1 in early 2017. I have thoroughly enjoyed the experience.
Before taking the course, I thought computer science was nothing more than just knowing a bunch of programming languages, and that was it.
I think this course is a bit different from the others because I think it teaches more like how to think more than how to just program.
It had taught me how to approach problems, organize my thoughts about them, and express those thoughts using code.
It focused on problem solving while using Python, a programming language, as a tool.
I know how to program in Python, but not just that, not just the tools. I know how to think like a computer, how to think in smart ways to solve problems.
This course taught me not to become a script kiddie, but rather an innovator in problem solving.
What matters is to be able to think computationally, and programming languages are pretty much disposable.
The course engagement, the content was very rich and very engaging.
They were able to take a 51-year-old man like myself and teach me really neat, complex concepts in ways that I can understand.
It goes right to the right amount of depth. And the exercises complement the lecture. It's not spoon-fed to you. You really have to think about what are you doing, what the exercise means.
I got introduced to good programming practices, which I have been using in most of my programs.
I'm glad to tell you that I can code any program with confidence.
So my master's in information and data science. I would never have done this, I would never have pursued it, I would never have gone this direction if I had not taken this course.
I'm developing a Python web application for my students and I hope to follow your lead.
I simply would not be the engineer I am today without this course.
It was a truly wonderful experience, talking to so many people around the world, helping them, learning from them, and I helping create just a beautiful community of passionate learners.
I want to say thank you to the professors. I enjoyed every second of this amazing experience.
Thank you for opening the doors of such renowned university because education really is, such a huge social issue. And something like this, really, you don't find everywhere.
I always wanted to go to MIT as a kid. I never had the chance. High school. But now with this course here, it opened up a door for me.
This course changed my life and I will continue programming in Python, on JavaScript, and this MITx course was the perfect base for me. I thank you so much.